Hey, what's good? Thank you for clicking on today's video. I'll be unboxing the Balenciaga runners. This is like a dust bag slash string bag. So this is what they're looking like. As you can see, you have the new Balenciaga logo right here on the back. At least it was the new one. And it's Balenciaga right there with my size 43. I will let you guys know if they're true to size. They are reminiscent of Asics in a way. You guys could tell just by the lines, but they do it purposely, I'm sure. But these are a nice weight. They're not too heavy or anything. Right here you have a marked 43, like a white paint slash marker. You have Balenciaga right here with the Balenciaga logo as well, with the tongue a little dirtied up to show a little distressing Balenciaga on the top of the tongue. And as well, you got the, this is runners, leather free. Yeah. As far as details go, there's like a little glue stain. They have a few of those around the shoe to kind of like show how it's potentially been put back together. And it goes to show like the distressing. It's such an interesting shoe, to be honest. So I think that's about it. You just have like a little type of webbing right here, the runner, and yeah, just like a guard essentially that goes around it. I really like this detail. It's like the back of the shoe is really nice. I really fuck with it. But yeah. Little detail right there. A little white and black contrast. Super nice. And then you have the card to go along with it. These are the shoes in their entirety. Yeah, I'll have an on feet segment and how I'd style them as well.